Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about the scientific variables. In the previous video, we talked about different types of hypotheses. So there are three ways to make a hypothesis. One is where you say if and then. When you make a sentence with if and then, you are going to make a hypothesis. For example, if I exercise, then I will lose weight. Okay? This is my hypothesis. There's another way to make a hypothesis. Remember, I think that's how you started. I think exercise helps to lose weight. So I'm using the same thing. I am using the same target, but I'm making different sentences. These are all hypotheses. And number 3 is not too different with number 2. It starts with, it seems exercise helps to lose weight. Okay, now I need you to look into this, and remember in the previous video I gave you a homework by writing 3 sentences, 3 hypotheses, correct? Yes, you were supposed to write down 3 hypotheses based on what you got from your people that you live in. So I need you to focus on the very first one, okay? This guy. I'm going to take this sentence, and now we are going to get another paper. So in the presentation, we see there are 3 types of variables. One is independent. 2 is dependent. And 3 is control. Okay? So these are the types of variables. I'm going to write down the sentence. Remember, I had this. If I exercise, then I will lose weight. In order for us to determine which one is dependent, which one is independent, remember what was independent? The things that is not getting affected. What's dependent is the result. Okay? So it's usually independents are solutions to the problems. Okay? Control something that won't change. Okay? So I need you to look at this sentence. If I exercise, then I will lose weight. What do you think in this sentence is the solution? Or what do you think in this sentence is a problem? Which one is a problem? Remember, in the scientific method, the first thing is to determine or find out a problem. So I need you to look into this sentence and try to find out which one is the problem. Do you think the exercising is the problem, or losing weight is the problem, or not losing weight the problem? So of course, losing weight is our problems that we are trying to find the solution. So every time when you have a sentence after, right after then, that's our dependent variables, okay? Because that's the problem, right? That's my problem. Losing weight or not losing weight is my problem. Losing weight is a dependent variable. Dependent variable is a losing weight. Losing weight is dependent on exercising. If you exercise, you will lose weight. If you don't exercise, you won't lose weight. Okay, that's a dependent. So I'm going to go like this. If blank, then blank. Okay, what is that supposed to mean? Every time when you guys are asked to find out the independent and dependent variable in a sentence, all you have to do is to write down if-then sentence. Okay, so when you have that, you are going to go like this. If, I'm going to put the initials IV, which is an independent variable, and then DV. No matter what, you write it down in your science notebook as an hypothesis. As long as it is like this, if, then you should be able to find out your independent variable and your dependent variable. Okay? Every time when you have a sentence like if and then, you should be able to find out your dependent and independent variable. Okay, I'm going to put a star next to it because that's our formula. Okay, so here is your homework. Let's get another paper. I'm hoping that you guys are writing this down. I'm going to hold it like this for a couple seconds as well. And you can pause the video anytime you like. Okay, so here is your homework. Let's write it down. Homework. Everybody is expected to email me. You guys are emailing me. This is going to be emailed to me. Okay? What are you emailing? Here's what you're emailing to me. What's my email address anyway? So let me write it down. My email address is coach@horizontoledo.org. Here's your homework. Okay? Here comes the weird question. Remember, fun and quick announcement. If you're watching this video, you're probably wondering, what is she talking about? A monkey, a squirrel, and a bird are racing to the top of the coconut tree. Who will get the banana first? First 3 people who answers correctly by emailing me is getting a very special prize. Again, a monkey, focus, a monkey, a squirrel, and a bird are racing to the top of the coconut tree. Who will get the banana first? That's your question. First 3 people who get it right is getting something very special. Okay, back to the homework. So, in your homework, I already know that you guys, have 3 sentences from previous homework. I need you to, so these are per se, this is your sentence, first, second, and third. Okay? I want you to write this like this. IV, DV. Meaning, you're going to identify the independent and dependent variables based on your sentence. I'm hoping that your sentence like this, if, then. Okay? And do the same thing for the second one. If, then. IV, DV. If, then. IV, DV. Okay? This is your homework. I need you to complete this and email me, which is right here. Okay? And I'm hoping to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.